Manufacturing has always been at the forefront of change, evolving through transformative industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution introduced steam power and mechanization, making production faster and more efficient. The second revolution brought electricity and assembly lines, paving the way for mass production on a global scale. In the third revolution, computing and automation took center stage, enabling precision and efficiency like never before. We're entering Industry 4.0, where the physical and digital worlds converge, powered by data and connectivity. Industry 4.0 empowers manufacturers to eliminate downtime, optimize resources, and deliver unparalleled customer service. This isn't just an evolution, it's your chance to lead the future of manufacturing. Are you ready to make history?